Tanveer Ahmed. Tanveer Ahmed, the question is, when there are differences created between every Indian, who is actually ahead and who is behind? Is it easy to figure out? Because someday it is a caste census issue that is being raised. Does that unite India? Someday, when Sambhal has violence, people want to make a beeline. People like Rahul Gandhi want to make a beeline to Sambhal, but forget to go to Bahraich. I want to ask you, who's creating these differences between people?
What a beautiful question. Thank you very much for asking this question. A great poet says, "Na tera khuda koi aur hai, na mera khuda koi aur hai. ये जो रास्ते हैं जुदा जुदा ये मामला कोई और है." Rahul Gandhi is the leader of opposition and he has all the right to go to Sambhal. He has all the right to go to whichever place where people are being affected, whether it is Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikh, Isai. I don't think Rahul Gandhi or Yogi Adityanath should differentiate, because राजा को राजधर्म पालन करना होता है. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने एक बार नरेंद्र मोदी को कोट करके बोला था, आप राजधर्म पालन कीजिए. बताइए, योगी आदित्यनाथ जी डीएनए के बारे में बात करते हैं. मैं इतना बताना चाहता हूं, मेरा डीएनए बाबर का डीएनए नहीं है. मेरा डीएनए जो है अब्दुल मजीद का डीएनए है, जो मेरे दादा थे, जो सुभाष चंद्र बोस के साथ लड़ाई किए थे इस देश को आजाद करने के लिए. वो डीएनए है हमारा. अगर आपको 17 करोड़ मुसलमान कफन बांध के हिंदुस्तान की सीमा पे खड़ने के लिए जरूरत पड़ी तो सारे मुसलमान खड़ेंगे. ये हमारा डीएनए है. अब क्या डीएनए के बारे में बात करें? पाकिस्तान से हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ना कोई मुसलमान का लेना है. हाँ, हम चाहते हैं कि बांग्लादेश के जो हिंदुओं पर जुल्म हो रहा है उस अत्याचार को रोका जाए. आप मेरे डीएनए के बारे में बात करोगे, हमारे डीएनए के बारे में बात करोगे? अरे हमारा डीएनए तो वही डीएनए है जो आनंद रंगनाथन का है, प्रदीप भंडारी का है, नाविका का है. वही मेरा डीएनए है. अब क्या योगी आदित्यनाथ जी, आप राजधर्म पालन कीजिए. राहुल गांधी राजधर्म पालन करने के लिए वो जा रहे थे.
नहीं, राहुल गांधी जी अगर राजधर्म कर रहे हैं तो आनंद रंगनाथन, डिड नोबडी गिव हिम गूगल मैप्स टू फाइंड द वे टू बहराइच?
Exactly, Navika. Tanveer is my brother, and he's absolutely right. हम सबका DNA.
राहुल गांधी को परमिशन लेने पड़ेगी वो पुलिस वालों से.
Tanveer bhai, please. Tanveer bhai, I didn't know.
No, he should go to Sambhal. I'm not questioning him going to Sambhal. Please understand. But why does he skip Bahraich? That is the question, Anand Ranganathan, and is that question justified or not?
That question is absolutely justified, and that question has been answered years ago, because Rahul Gandhi के DNA में hypocrisy है. It's not a question of if or buts. He always goes to BJP ruled states wherever there is strife or some sexual offense or anything or disorder. He, in fact, during the time when he decided to go to Hathras, at that very day or round about that time, in Congress ruled Rajasthan, a woman was brutally raped and she jumped into a well because the police was not acting. Rahul Gandhi didn't go there. Every time there is some kind of activity. Now, Sanjay, I didn't interrupt you. Yaar. Why you keep on interrupting?
Well, I'm running out of time on the debate. The point here is that who's creating this nafrat? If everybody is opening mohabbat ki dukaan, nafrat aa kahan se rahi hai? Is it because there are issues of competitive politics? Is it because vote bank is above getting Indians together? Is that because all of them are fighting for some power game that is eluding them for a while, and therefore pitting Indian against Indian? That is the question people of India are asking. Why are we always in election mode, rhetoric mode, and hate mode? Think about it.